Hi guys. We start again.
We have our fidget toys.
This
part
is
2
part
actually.
2.
I got monkey doodle.
Me too.
And 3
No.
puppets.
Yeah, actually I have 2 puppets. Look, cool this one. Look.
And this I don't know how to play it. I think just like this. And the most that I don't know how to play is this. How to play this thing here.
Tell in the comment below.
Yeah.
I know how to play it.
Even when it's displayed. Just kidding.
I know how to play
You
it.
like pop this? I like it.
Yeah, let me
This
try.
one? Yeah, so satisfying, right?
You said you don't like green color.
Huh?
You said you don't like green color. Oh, look at this penguin. So
Of course I like.
good.
This is my penguin. His name is Penguin. Oh
And
no!
This is my turtle named Turtle Ping. It's my turtle.
Hey!
Huh?
This! I'm fidget trading paper. Why did you do that? It's a fidget trading paper.
Oh, sorry guys. Part 2 we do a fidget
Part
trade.
3, we're gonna do a fidget trading.
Part 3.
I like this penguin so much. It's so cute. And I have this. I don't know what's it called.
Guys, tell this. Why did it don't have sound?
It have a sound.
Look, see? Only a little.
And where's my stress ball?
Stress ball. Oh yeah, I see it. Here, you can have mine.
Oh my god. This literally what that time you gave me that time. I don't know what it called, so I call it stress ball.
I will call this white ball.
And this is my brother's here. I like it so much because it's spinning around. And also, I'm gonna do something for you guys. Okay?
So guys, we wait our FIDGET TOYS so long.
Yeah.
And don't get it, please. Subscribe and like, please. We almost have subscribe and we're almost like have a lot of like and subscribe.
Subscribers, yeah.
Yeah, subscribers. So please subscribe and like again. And turn on notification and this is mine.
And
There's another one of
if
these.
you please like and subscribe, and this thing will turn back into a heart.
Wait. First like this I have. What is it?
Ini ada kopinya. This is yours. Thank you for like and subscribe.
Wait,
if you don't subscribe
something-
it,
one more thing.
you
This.
need mental health.
And
Mental health. If you don't like cookies too, you need mental health.
this is one thing. You can't touch it. You can't touch it because this is made of gold.
Literally, I think it's made of real gold, right?
Yeah, it is made of real gold. Look. Oh no, my stress ball.
How to open this thing? All right.
Guy. You see on YouTube or something. Oh no. Our nose. It's a stress ball. Just kidding.
Ouch!
Like and subscribe for and like.
Hey!
Hey, but I have that time.
But you give it to me. You can get this.
Oh, I don't like this. Oh, it's so boring. That's okay. I have dreams.
Okay. Oh yeah, you give it to me this, but I don't want.
You want it? Okay.
I don't want. I like something rainbow. I like something rainbowy.
Rainbowy?
Yeah.
Wait, you know?
Like that one over there.
only one more thing. I see your picture.
So guys, I think that's the end of the video, right?
Yeah, like and subscribe.
So bye guys. We're gonna make a part 2 today. Bye guys.
Bye. It's nighttime, you know.
Yeah.
It's nighttime.
Bye guys.
Bye.